Hello class, welcome here. Today I am come back with new topic, transpiration in plant. So let's start. What is transpiration? So transpiration is the loss of a water. It means पानी का बाहर निकलना in the form of vapor from stomata, lenticles and the cuticles, namely known as stomatal transpirations, lenticle transpiration and cuticle transpiration respectively. For your understanding, what is stomata, lenticles and cuticle? So stomata, the water loss happens through the stomata, and the lenticles, the evaporations of water happen through the lenticles. It means porous opening on the woody plants. Cuticles, waxy coating present over the surface of the leaves of plant. Transpiration occur during the daytime and in high temperature. In dry condition favors that transpirations and only pure water is evaporated. Excessive transpirations result in wilting. Wilting means मुरझा जाना. Transpiration occur in terrestrial and herbaceous plants both. Terrestrial plants mean plants grow on land, and the herbaceous plants are vascular plants that have no persistent woody stem above ground. This is the transpiration in plant. Okay. After that, we see the type of transpiration. There are three type of transpiration: stomatal transpiration, lenticle transpiration, and cuticle transpiration. So we first study stomatal transpiration. 80 to 90% of total plant transpiration is stomatal transpiration. Stomata occur on the epidermis of leaves, yolk, stem, and etc. Stomata is found on any part of the plant except root. You see the diagram, open stomata and the closed stomata. We see the cytoplasm, nucleus, vacuole, epidermis, and stomata. And here the closed stomata, thin cell wall and the thick cell wall. The guard cell, you see the guard cell is the kidney shape. Okay. Next, stomata are small in size and cover 123% of the total area of the leaf, and when the stomata fully open, the stomatal transpiration occur. Next one is opening and the closing of stomata is responsible for the transpiration process. Next one is lenticule transpiration. Lenticule transpiration are small pores of the surface of cork. Cork means chhal of stem and branches of woody plants, sometimes on fruits and roots. Lenticule transpiration have fixed shape and size. Less than 1% of a water loss occur, occurs through lenticule transpiration. Only 1% of water is lost. Next one is cuticle transpiration. The cuticle layer is made up of cutin. Okay. A very low rate of transpiration occur via cuticle transpiration. Very low rate. The cuticle transpiration vary according to species and environmental factor. Next one is plant cuticle is the outermost layer of plant which covers leaves, fruits, flower of high plants. It protects plants against drop, UV rays, chemical attack, pathogen and pest infection. This is all about the type of transpiration. So we will discuss in this video. Okay.